Dragonfly nymphs are now leaving the water to become adults. An incredible transformation from aquatic monster to aerial master. Emergent dragonflies pump fluid to expand and stiffen their wings, and they swallow air to inflate their bodies. Soon the pond is home to thousands of dragonflies and damselflies. Competition is intense. The Canada darner is one of the most aggressive dragonflies on the pond. To impress a female, males must command a substantial territory. They constantly patrol it and take out any rivals in their airspace. 4 independently acting wings and articulated bodies allow for extraordinary aerobatics and high-speed maneuvers in nature's ultimate dogfight. He's seen off his enemy and secured his territory. It's well stocked with food and should be large enough to attract a mate.